Good morning, my dear children. How are you all today? I hope you all are doing really good and you all are. I know you all are very smart and you all are taking proper care of yourself and also studying nicely. Right? So, children, today we will be starting with a new topic, right? But you should remember what did we learn in the last topic? In the last topic, which letter did we do? We did the letter J, right? We did the letter J, and the sound of letter J is J. J. Okay, the sound of letter J is J. Right. So, children, today we will be starting with the new letter, a new story, a new sound. I hope you all are excited. First, we will do our prayer. हम पहले prayer करेंगे, then we will start. Okay, everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat the prayer after me. गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Now, children, this story is about Kittu and the sad koala. Now we will see who is Kittu and the sad koala. Why the koala is sad, and the story is for the letter. We will see which letter properly. We will see the letter in the end. Okay, अभी आपको देखना है कौन सा letter के बारे में बात हो रही है. Okay, in the end I will say the letter. So let's start. Kilo is a sad koala. Koala. He was used to be very sad, very upset, always sad. Now, why is he always sad? He was a very sad koala. He हमेशा sad रहता था. Why he used to be very sad? Now, Kittu the kitten used to come and play with him every day. किट्टू जो किटन था ना, वो क्या करता था, कोआला के पास आता था and he used to play. He used to try to play with the koala who used to be very sad. But Kilu always sleeps. जब भी आता था ना किट्टू उसके पास खेलने, कोआला used to sleep. Always used to sleep. Can you see how he is sleeping? He used to sleep and sleep. So one day Kittu was very sad because looking at the kilo कि ये हमेशा क्यों सोते रह रहा है, ये हमेशा क्यों सो रहा है. So he went to the Dr. Kangaroo. Kittu meets the Dr. Kangaroo. And he said, Kilo does not play with me. He's always sad and always sleeping. Give me something so that मैं उसको मेरे साथ खेलने के लिए बोलूँ. So Kitu said, I am very worried about Kilo. So he does not play with me. And he is always sad. Why is he always sad? Listening to this, Dr. Kangaroo had an idea. Dr. Kangaroo gives him a golden key. Can you see the golden key? He gave a golden key and says, keep it on Kilo's head. उसके जाके head पे रख देना. Okay, Kilo के सर पे रख देना. Then he will start playing. Then he will not be sad. You just see. And listening to this, Kittu runs and go to the Kilo and keeps the keys on his head. Okay, वो अपने उसके head पे रख देता है. Can you see how keeps the key on Kilo's head? Can you see how Kittu is keeping the key on his head? Can you see Kilo के सर पे कैसे रखा है उसने Kilo's head? And after that, Kilo wakes up and he starts smiling at Kittu. वो क्या कर रहा है? He is not sad anymore. Because of the key, he started smiling. And they play every day now. They play balls. So children, this is the story about Kittu and Kilo. Kittu is a kitten and Kilo is a koala. Now we will see the characters. Koala, kitten. Can you see kitten? Kangaroo, key, golden key. So these are the characters of your story. Now children, we will carefully listen to the sound and we will see the letter. Which letter? Okay.
Let us learn about the letter K. I am the letter K and I make the sound K. K as in kangaroo and K as in ketchup. K.
Okay, so did you see which letter is this? After J, the letter is K. K is the sound is K. K as in kitten. K as in key.
K is for the key that opens locks. K is for the kitten sitting on a rock. K is for the koala up on a tree. K is for the king that I'd like to be.
Okay, so this is the sound of letter K.
Listen to the sound of the letter K. Kitten, key, kangaroo, kite, king, koala.
Okay, so children, did you all know now what is the sound of letter K? Okay, the sound of letter K is K. Now we will see how to write the letter K. ठीक है, अभी हम देखेंगे how to write the letter K, big as well as small, the uppercase as well as the lowercase. Okay, so we will see how to write the letter K and then we will start writing. And I hope you all will write it with me nicely. Okay, so let's start writing, children. Okay, children, so just now we completed this page, right? We completed this page, letter K. Now we will see how to write the letter K capital and the letter small capital. Small, okay? So let's start. How you're going to do? You're going to make one standing line, then one slanting line, and then again one slanting line. So again we will see here how to write. So आपको यहाँ देखना है, children. How am I doing? See, one standing line like this, one slanting line, then come down, slanting line, touch the blue line. See again, one standing line, then एक slanting line, then again one slanting line. Simple, right? See, one standing line, touch the blue line. Okay, then again from the red line, then come down, touch the blue line. See, standing line. Okay, then slanting line, then come down, make the slanting line like this. Slowly you're going to write, but try to put it on dot. Okay, come on, one standing line, then एक slanting line, then again one slanting line makes the letter K. So this you all have to complete this letter K. ठीक है, अभी I will show you the small letter K. ठीक है, small letter K को आपको किधर से start करना है? I'll show you. Wait. See, first you will trace here and then we will go there. So one standing line, ठीक है, then one small slanting line, then come down with the small slanting line like this. Now we'll trace here in the red and blue lines. ठीक है, so आपको क्या करना है? वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन, तो आपको अभी क्या करना है? ब्लू लाइन से स्लैंटिंग लाइन स्टार्ट करना है. ठीक है, सो स्टार्ट इधर छोटा सा स्लैंटिंग लाइन, राइट, एंड देन वन मोर स्मॉल स्लैंटिंग लाइन मेक्स द लेटर के. वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन, one slanting line, and again one slanting line makes the letter K, small k. Now again one standing line, small, and like this makes the letter small letter K. Start from the red line, come down, touch the blue line, Then start from the blue line like this. See, like this, like this. ठीक है? So you all have to complete this full page. Also complete it in the notebook as well. आपको notebook में भी complete करना है. 2 pages in the notebook and 1 page over this page number 21 of your book. Okay?